I'm proud to report that at White River Medical Center, Rhonda Thompson, an RN at Senior Haven, has been selected our Employee of the Month for June. She's been at White River Medical Center since 2007, and she's being recognized for respect. When given the opportunity, be sure to let Rhonda know that you appreciate her hard work in becoming Employee of the Month. At Stone County Medical Center, Tammy Holt, our Environmental Services Department Supervisor, was selected. She's been with us for 10 years. I've known Tammy for, I guess, all those 10 years, and she's really a go-to person, really pleasant, fun person to be around, hard worker, really deserving of that recognition. So if you see Tammy and Rhonda this next month, be sure to let them know that they're doing a great job for us. I have two new providers to welcome to the White River Health System team. Gina Powers is an APRN who will be joining the Children's Clinic, working with Dr. Melody Moody and Dr. White. I know that Gina will really be busy because that clinic is busy, and we're really looking forward to having her with us. Gina is coming to us from the Arkansas Children's Hospital and has worked some at UAMS, so be sure to welcome her to the Children's Clinic here in Batesville. Dr. Andy Davidson will join our Cave City Clinic in June. Dr. Davidson previously worked at the Cave City Clinic before coming to work at Batesville Family Practice. I know people in that area will really welcome Dr. Davidson coming back up into Cave City, and he'll be working with Kay Plumley at the clinic, and I'm sure they'll do a great job of servicing that primary care needs in Cave City area. May has been a busy month in doing kickoffs at our other locations outside of the Batesville area. In Newport, we did a kickoff of the construction program at the Newport Clinic. Basically, we'll be going from 9,000 square feet in that location up to 38,000 square feet. And so really a big addition. We'll be doing at the new location an urgent care center. We'll be doing cardiac rehab. We'll be doing pain management. We'll have a specialty clinic for visiting physicians from White River Medical Center. And also there'll be a pharmacy there and a durable medical equipment provider. That project is intended to be finished sometime in October. And so once it's completed, of course, we'll do an open house, and hopefully some of you can come and see it firsthand. It's really going to be a great addition to that Newport community. In Southside, we did a construction kickoff at the Southside Clinic. That project is a result of a gift of property and building by Life Plus, and there will be a primary care clinic opened up there in the end of August, beginning of September. Dr. Shannon Swift, a med-peds physician on the White River Medical Center staff, will be the physician at that location, and she'll be joined by Dr. Ian Parker, who's a doctor of osteopathic medicine, who'll be joining her in the June-July time period once he finishes his residency program. So some really good things are happening at our clinic locations outside of Batesville, and be sure to stop by and see them in operation once they're completed. Each month we do a community education event at the Josephine Ray Rogers Center. And in June 14th, Dr. Dylan Carpenter will do a presentation on minimally invasive hip surgery. Dr. Carpenter's been with us almost 2 years now, and boy, he's really doing a super job in orthopedics. So if you have a chance that day to come at noon to the Josephine Ray Rogers Center, please be sure to do so. Obviously, we'll be having lunch there, so we'll see you there. Each year we hold a White River Health System Golf Classic at Eagle Mountain Country Club, and on June 18th we'll have this year's event. As of today, we've raised much in excess of what we budgeted to raise, and so as of today, we've raised $173,000 towards the event. The monies that we raise from that event are used to further the hospital, and this year the proceeds will be going to help fund the construction program and the emergency room. So on June 18th, I know we're looking for volunteers to help us on that day, and so if you're available, be sure to contact the foundation staff, and we'll be glad to have you out there helping us. I'm really pleased to report that we've been selected as the managers of the senior centers in Izard, Sharp, Stone, and Fulton counties. We'll take responsibility for managing those centers on July 1st. And so James McStreet will be the administrator in charge of the centers. And I'm really looking forward to how we can better interact with senior citizens that use those centers for social and educational reasons. And so come July, I think that we're really going to make a difference in those centers. And so I look forward to doing that. You may have noticed that we're constructing a parking expansion of our parking capabilities on the east side of the hospital, outside of the medical oncology unit. Part of that facility will be dedicated to patients who are receiving chemotherapy, and part of it will be an expansion of the employee parking. So sometime the next month or so, we'll be lining those out and be sure to follow the rules of parking in the green areas, and that should really provide us that next amount of parking that's necessary for our employees' needs. So look forward to having that completed. Each month we put out a calendar of events, and in June there will be one posted at your pillars in your department. So refer to those to see what's coming up and try to attend as many of those as you possibly can. So this concludes my June CEO Connection. If you have any suggestions on how I can do better in the future or topics that you'd like to hear about, please be sure to contact us on the location that's in the follow.